Right now, while you're listening to this, blood is moving through tiny tubes all over your body, your arteries. If those tubes are clean and flexible, blood flows smoothly. If they're lined with sticky plaque, the space gets narrower and narrower until one day a small clot can block the flow to your heart or brain. The scary part is most people feel perfectly fine while that plaque is building up. No warning, no pain, until there's chest pain, a heart attack, or a stroke. The hopeful part: there are simple, everyday drinks that research suggests can help support healthy arteries, not magic cures, but real, measurable improvements in blood flow, blood pressure, and cholesterol handling. In this video, you'll hear about 7 drinks backed by scientific studies, not internet rumors. Every one of them is useful, but the number 1 drink at the end had such dramatic plaque reversal results in one trial that even the doctors were shocked. Please stay with me for that one. If you're comfortable sharing, tell me in the comments, has your doctor ever told you that your arteries are a bit blocked, or that you have high blood pressure or cholesterol? Let's start from number 7 and work our way to the most powerful. Drink 7. Green tea. The cholesterol bodyguard green tea has been used for centuries, but now we understand why it helps the heart. It's rich in plant compounds called catechins, especially one called EGCG. These act like little bodyguards for your LDL cholesterol. LDL itself isn't evil. The problem starts when it becomes oxidized or damaged, which makes it much more likely to stick to artery walls and form plaque. EGCG helps reduce that oxidation. In studies, people who drank green tea daily saw modest drops in total and LDL cholesterol, but a bigger drop in oxidized LDL, the sticky kind that really causes trouble. Green tea also helps the inner lining of your arteries relax and widen, so blood can flow more easily. For best results, brew with hot, not boiling water, steep 3 to 5 minutes. Skip the milk, it may reduce absorption of some compounds. Aim for 2 to 4 cups spread through the day, between meals if your stomach tolerates it. Drink 6. Hibiscus tea. Gentle blood pressure support. Hibiscus tea is a bright red herbal tea with a tart, cranberry-like flavor. Several studies have found that 2 to 3 cups a day can help gently lower systolic blood pressure by a few points, enough to matter over time. Hibiscus acts a bit like a natural ACE inhibitor, the same pathway some blood pressure medicines use. It also has anti-inflammatory pigments, anthocyanins, that help calm irritation in artery walls and improve cholesterol patterns. You can make it by steeping dried hibiscus flowers, often labeled Fleur de Jamaica, in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy it hot or chilled. If you already take blood pressure medication, diabetes medication, or have kidney disease, check with your doctor first. You don't want your pressure dropping to low. Drink 5. Turmeric golden milk. Calming artery inflammation. Turmeric's yellow gold color comes from curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In some small human studies, curcumin supplements have been linked with improved artery flexibility and decreases in certain plaque markers. The problem is that curcumin alone is hard to absorb. That's where golden milk comes in. Warm 1 cup of milk, dairy, or unsweetened plant milk. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper. This can boost absorption dramatically. Optionally, add a small amount of healthy fat, like coconut oil, and a little honey, if your doctor says it's okay. Sipping this once a day, especially in the evening, can be a comforting way to get more turmeric into your routine. If you're on blood thinners, discuss turmeric with your doctor first, as large amounts may increase bleeding risk. Drink 4. Beet juice. Nitric oxide booster. Beets are one of nature's richest sources of dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a gas that signals your arteries to relax and widen, that helps lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. In several studies, a small glass of beet juice each day lowered systolic blood pressure by a few points and improved exercise tolerance in people with circulation problems in their legs. To use it safely, juice or blend raw beets. Cooked beets have fewer nitrates, Mix with a bit of apple or carrot to soften the earthy taste. Start with about half a cup, working up to a cup if your doctor agrees. If you have kidney stones, severe kidney disease, or low blood pressure, definitely check with your doctor before making beet juice a habit. Have you ever tried beet juice before? If yes, did you like it? Or did the taste put you off? Drink 3. Tomato juice. Lycopene protection. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a red pigment that helps protect fats in your blood from oxidative damage. Processed tomato products, like tomato juice, can actually deliver more usable lycopene than raw tomatoes. In research, higher lycopene intake has been associated with lower rates of heart attacks and strokes. Some trials using tomato juice found improvements in LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure over a few weeks. To get the most benefit, choose low-sodium tomato juice or make your own. Drink about 1 cup a day. Take it with a little healthy fat, like a teaspoon of olive oil or a meal that includes fat, because lycopene is soluble. You can gently warm it and add herbs and black pepper for a savory drink. Drink to a tart cherry juice. Anti-inflammatory and artery flexibility. Tart cherries, not the sweet snacking kind, are packed with anthocyanins and other compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies in older adults have shown that concentrated tart cherry juice can lower C-reactive protein, an inflammation marker, and gently improve blood pressure and artery stiffness. Look for 100% tart cherry juice or a concentrated tart cherry extract you dilute with water. A typical amount used in research is about 1 cup of juice a day, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of concentrate mixed with water. Many people take it in the evening because tart cherries also contain melatonin-like compounds that can support sleep, a nice bonus for heart health. Drink 1. Bonus drink, pomegranate juice, plaque reversal protocol. Now, for the drink that really turned heads in plaque imaging studies, 100% pomegranate juice. In a small but well-known trial of people with significant carotid artery narrowing, those who drank a daily glass of pomegranate juice for a year saw a measurable reduction in the thickness of their artery wall and improvement in blood flow, while the control group's arteries worsened. Over several years, the average change was a substantial percentage difference between those who drank it and those who didn't. Pomegranate juice is rich in unique antioxidants like pennycalagins that help protect LDL from oxidation, support nitric oxide levels, and may encourage reverse cholesterol transport, the process of moving cholesterol out of artery walls and back to the liver for disposal. To use it wisely, choose 100% pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar. Stick to about 4 to 8 ounces, half to 1 cup per day. If you have diabetes or are watching carbs, account for the natural sugars and discuss with your doctor. This isn't a magic cure, and it doesn't replace medication or procedures you truly need. But as part of an overall heart-healthy plan, pomegranate juice has some of the best data we've seen for supporting cleaner arteries over time. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap the 7 drinks. Green tea. Catechins like EGCG help protect LDL from oxidation and support artery function. Hibiscus tea naturally supports lower blood pressure and healthier cholesterol patterns. Turmeric golden milk, curcumin plus black pepper, and fat can calm artery inflammation. Beet juice boosts nitric oxide, helping arteries relax and improve blood flow. Tomato juice, lycopene protects fats in your blood and supports healthier cholesterol. Tart cherry juice lowers inflammation markers and improves artery flexibility. Pomegranate juice, strong antioxidants and nitric oxide support, with studies suggesting real plaque improvements over time. You don't have to drink all 7. Even adding 1 or 2 regularly, like pomegranate plus green tea or hibiscus plus tomato juice, can gently support your arteries alongside your doctor's treatment plan. Your first simple step: pick just 1 drink from this list that feels realistic for you. Maybe a daily cup of green tea, or a small glass of low-sodium tomato juice with lunch, or pomegranate juice a few times a week. Commit to trying it consistently for the next 30 days, and note how you feel and what your doctor says at your next checkup. If this video helped you understand more about what you can do for your arteries, please hit like and subscribe to 60 Medication for more straightforward, senior-friendly health tips. If you're comfortable sharing, tell me in the comments, which drink are you going to start with, and are you planning to tell your doctor about it at your next visit? From my heart, I sincerely pray that God protects your heart and blood vessels, guides your doctor's decisions, and blesses you with many more years of strong, steady circulation and peaceful health. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or cardiologist before making major changes to your diet, adding concentrated juices or herbal teas, or adjusting any heart, blood pressure, or diabetes medications.